Hello, my name is Maquetta Allen, and I'm petitioning to retake the first exam that we took in calculus this year for challenge, and it was a pre-calculus proficiency exam, and I made a 79 on it, which I guess wasn't bad, but I would like to do a little better. And the reason why I want to retake this one is because it's preliminary, and the problems that I missed, I just didn't really think about, and they were also commonly missed by the students. So the first problem I'm going to work out is problem number 7, which cost me 10 points. And problem number 7 says, solve for 3x minus 5 over x minus 5 is greater than 4 for x. Now the key to this problem was remembering that part of the answer could be negative or positive. So you solve this problem. I start off by multiplying both sides by x minus 5. So you have 3x minus 5 over x minus 5 times x minus 5 is greater than 4 times x minus 5. When you multiply both sides, this cancels out, and you're left with 3x minus 5 is greater than 4 times x minus 5. But that's the case, or (3x minus 5) is less than 4 times negative x minus 5. In the case of this answer could be negative, because you never know what your x might be. Your x could be something bigger, something less than 5, and you're left with a negative number. So what you do is you solve this for both equations. So you have 3x minus 5 is greater than 4x minus 20. If you solve this, you have to subtract 3x from both sides. And then you have add 20 to both sides. 15x. And that's the first situation that I actually had on my paper, but that wasn't the only part. So you come over here to your other side, and you have 3x minus 5 less than negative 4x plus 20. And then you add 4x to both sides. I'm sorry about this picture quality. It is really early in the morning. So you have 7x minus 5 is less than 20. And then you add 5 to both sides. You have 7x is less than 25. You have x is less than 25 over 7. So this should have been the other answer for number 7. But you can't have where x is greater than 15 but less than 25 over 7, which is a little less than 4. It's approximately 3.5 or so. So this actually is a DNE. There is no solution for this problem. So that would have been the answer to that one. Now the second problem I want to do is problem number 6, the problem that preceded this problem, which says find the exact solution for this. Find the exact solution to square root of 2x plus 7 equal to x plus 2. Now the problem I have with this problem is I didn't remember to check my solutions at the end. I did the problem correctly though. So what I started out by doing was squaring both sides. So you have the square root of 2x plus 7 equals x plus 2. Square both sides. And you have 2x plus 7 equals x squared plus 4x plus 4. And then you can subtract. You have 7 equals x squared plus 2x plus 4. And subtract again, and I'll put 0 equals x squared plus 2x minus 3. And then this is equal to x 3, negative 1 plus 3. And so your answer would equal negative 3 or 1. But you want to go back and substitute this into your original equation to see if both of the solutions work. So, you're going to do, we're going to come down here, and you're going to do the square root of 2 times negative 3 plus 7 equals negative 3 plus 2. And this will be negative 6 plus 7, which is square root of 1, equals negative 3 plus 2, which is negative 1. And you will see that the square root of 1 is 1. 1 is not equal to negative 1, so negative 3 is not a solution. But if you check 1 in the answer, you're going to have the square root of 2 times 1 plus 7 equals 1 plus 2. So you have, or you see that this is an answer. This is a plus or minus 1, because you have negative 6 plus 7 plus or minus 1. So this is an answer. I'm sorry. But over here you have 3 plus 7 is 10. Square root of 10 is not equal to 3. So 1 is not an answer. So your answer is x equals negative 3. And that's the answer to that one. Now the last problem that I had problems with on this exam that cost me 6 points actually was the first problem. Now I solved it correctly, but I didn't put it in integer form. So for this problem, you would simply solve the equation of the line passing through negative 1/2, 1, and 5 2/3. Write the answer in standard form of the line where a, b, and c are integers. So first what you want to do is actually find the slope of the line. And you do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And in this case, your y2 is 2/3, or in my case, I used 1. And then your y1 is 2/3 if your y2 is 1. And then I'll just write it on here. You can have it. This is your y2. This is your y1. This is your x2, your x1. So your slope would be negative 2 over 33. Because if you do your y2, which is 1, minus your y1, which is 2/3, you get 1/3. If you do your x2 minus x1, you get negative 1/2 minus 5, which is negative 11/2. And so once you multiply by the reciprocal, you get 2 over 33, the negative of that. And so what you do is you use point slope form, which is the quantity of y minus 1 equals the slope times x minus what you got for x, which is, you can use either one of these points. And I use this point, so it will be x minus negative 1/2, which would turn into x plus 1/2. So you add 1 to both sides, and you have y equals negative 22 over 3x minus 1 over 33 plus 1. And once you multiply through, you get 2 over 33x plus y minus 32 over 3 equals 0. That's in standard form, but you have to multiply everything by 33, and you're left with 2x plus 33y minus 32 equals 0. And that will be the answer to that question. And that is why I got that question wrong. So I did this in hopes of retaking this test and proving that I know how to accurately do pre-calculus. Thank you very much.